I'm Peter Berninger, and I'm here with Richard Cumberland from Audience. Richard, good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
Very good, thank you.
Well, here at CES, we're debuting our two baby loudspeakers, our entry-level Model 1, which you see right here. It's a single driver, crossoverless loudspeaker with a passive radiator in the back. And it comes with little stands to decouple it from a desktop or a table.
Oh, let's look at that. Yeah.
Tilts it up so that you get optimal listening while you're at your desktop.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
And it's rubber, so it's non-skid. And it features magnetically attached grills.
So you kind of zero it in, and then it just sticks it right on there.
Yep.
Yeah.
And it's our patented A3S driver. And we thought we'd go all out and do super high-end. We have a $550 TAC integrated amplifier with a DAC.
And over to its right.
And a $700 music server from QLS Hi-Fi. So the whole system retails for an astounding $2,250.
That's for the front end and the speakers.
Right.
And how about the amplifiers driving from down below?
No, this is the amplifier.
Oh, I stand corrected.
It's a 50 watt per channel integrated with a DAC in it and a headphone output.
I think that's the most reasonably priced system here in Las Vegas this year.
That's what people are telling us.
How about that?
And they smile when they hear these.
Well, we're going to do a little listening in just a minute. How about the second system here that's kind of partnering up?
Yep. The step-up system is the big brother to this loudspeaker. It's the 1+1, which is essentially two of those in a box. It's bipole, our driver on the front and rear, and passive radiators on the side. And it basically goes deeper in the bass, has a lot more spatial characteristic to it.
Okay.
Plays louder.
Nice and solid. And inert.
Yep.
Amplifiers are?
The amplifier is a prototype that we've developed. It's a switching amplifier that we've sort of re-engineered for our own purposes. It's called the Wave Power.
And we have power conditioning in the middle here?
Right, that's our AR6 TSS power conditioner, our state-of-the-art bestseller, as a matter of fact.
Oh, how about that? Okay, and Richard, show us through what you have on the rack over here.
The sources for this system are modified Denon, classic Denon direct drive turntable, a DP62, the Lyra Delos cartridge in it, the Zesto Andros phono stage.
Yeah, that's a great phono stage.
We are really, really impressed by this.
Yeah, the industry really likes that stage.
And for digital source, we're using a Bryston BDA1 DAC and a BDP1 digital player,
Okay.
which makes life really easy. And the control center is our Wavemaster Autoformer-based preamplifier.
I was going to say it has your design look. It has that little wave on the front facade. It's a tidy, compact design. And what is the retail for that?
That is about $12,000.
Okay. Well, it's time to listen. Thank you very much, Richard from Audience.
My pleasure.
Okay, very good. Okay, and we're going to listen to the most reasonably priced system here in Las Vegas this year in the high-performance audio world. $2,200 for the whole system. Okay, everyone, hold that thought. We'll switch over to the step-up system. Okay, and here we are stepping up in performance and price. It sounds very similar. The only difference I really hear is that the speakers are spread apart more. And a little bit more finesse. Same clear, clean sonic signature. compact components, large sound. It's the audience suite in Las Vegas, sounding very, very good. Thank you, Richard.
You're quite welcome.